I'm Ernest and this is the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. On this episode, I'm going to be testing the Fanttik V10 Apex. This is a car vacuum, so let's go ahead and put this to the test. And I want to see if this Fanttik vacuum can be more useful than an air compressor to me on a job. This is one of the smallest air compressors you can get. And this Fanttik vacuum is even smaller. I have a few different Fanttik products and their quality is always one of the best. I've been using the Fanttik X8 Apex air inflator on pretty much every job I've been going out on. I charge this thing up every day or every other day. So that's eliminated the need for an air compressor like this. Alright, and here's this compact, powerful vacuum. Alright, here's the vacuum. I'm going to go ahead and get this fully charged. Wow, this thing feels super powerful. Oh, that wasn't even the highest mode. Alright, so this could come in super handy for cleaning. Let's see how I can put this to use. I like how quiet it is. Now before I head outside to test this thing out, I want to talk about what my ideas are. I think a nice vacuum like this could come in handy for a couple of different things. Firstly, I think of all the instances where I've used an air compressor to blow debris off of the area I was working on the motor. It's pretty common to have leaves and dirt build up around gaskets, and in order to put everything back together and keep it clean, you need to clean up the area pretty well. I think this could come in perfect for a lot of those applications. Reaching into a tight space to clean up an area where I'm about to work. Okay, this thing's already charged up a few percent. I'm going to take it outside in just a minute. Because the other idea I have is I was on a job recently where somebody had picked up a Christmas tree in the back of their car. I had to do the fuel pump and there was just pine needles everywhere. When I was putting the seat bolts back in, I was just trying to brush pine needles out of the little well in order to keep the area clean so I could start the bolt right and not mess anything up. Well, I didn't have a vacuum like this at the time, and an air compressor wouldn't have been good to clean out the inside of that car with. It would have just blown the dust and pine needles everywhere. Well, that's another case where using the Fanttik A10 Apex would have been the best choice. Especially with one of these brush attachments, I could have cleaned up the pine needles all around where I was working. In just about 30 seconds, I could have saved myself a lot of time and headache. Alright, I've got this charged up so I could test it. When you need to unfold it, you just press this button right here. Works pretty nice. Let's go ahead and check out how you could use this to clean up the inside of a car when you're working on. Wow, you can really see the dirt and debris flying around in there. That looks way better. This could easily represent the type of area I have to work on a day-to-day basis. Let's see how it does against this. That did great. It's also super easy to clean out. Boom, and just like that, I'm ready for the next job. You can shop any one of Fanttik's products at the link in the description or the pinned comment. And make sure you check it out now for an extra special deal. Fanttik, seriously one of my favorite brands. Their quality's top notch. The jump starter I've had from them for years has been in my wife's car. This V10 Apex really impressed me. If you like this video, make sure you're subscribed. You can check out the next video here. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about these. Keep fixing, and I'll see you on the next episode. That's a tool well done.